Good morning, everybody. Crypto Strang here. Today we talk about Ascendex and their wonderful staking rewards. Now, I've covered Ascendex many times in the past. I think it's a wonderful exchange. It was previously called BitMax, as we know. It's making huge strides. I like their dashboard, I like the way it's laid out, very simple to use. But also, many exchanges now offer these great rewards when it comes to staking, and Ascendex offering some fantastic rewards. So we'll go through it. And I say, when you're in a bear market, you might as well make your crypto work for you. Okay, there's no point just sat there. Obviously, it's not a time me personally to take profits. Now, it's not financial advice or anything like that. Doing research, me personally, this is a wonderful time to accumulate, stake as much as I can to build up ready for the next bull run where I've got those price targets and I'll take some profits. So on Ascendex, I say the dashboard you see there on the screen laid out very well. You can buy crypto the easiest way. You're using your Visa, MasterCard, Fiat, and you buy crypto direct. You also buy crypto via wire transfer, and also via third parties like banks and MoonPay, Mercurio, and SimpleX. Okay, so it's really easy when you stake on Ascendex. Now, I'll show you the screen here. Now, we've got many assets, so it's nearly 120. Okay, now I'll pinpoint some of the projects that I really like, and it's a fantastic time. When you look at the screen, you think, wow, near protocol, 34.97%, crazy percentage. What you have to do is you basically go on there and you hit the question mark. In fact, what it is, it's not that. It's basically the first $100 you'll get 30%, but then between 100 and $1,000 you get 10%. 1,000 plus that you get 7.13%. Now, obviously, some people depends on their budgets. Just do up to $100 30% is fantastic. Me personally, I'm going to do about $150 worth of near because I've already got quite a decent bag of near. I'm looking at various other projects. I've done a video yesterday about Clayton, and that's the project that I'm accumulating the most at the moment. Anyway, but even 10% is fantastic because it's free crypto. It's free near protocol that I will get. So it's a wonderful opportunity. Now, I stake through multiple independent sites, staking genuine ones, also on exchange because it's very easy on exchanges. But you do use like many others where obviously it's all your own keys all the time. So you are kind of reliant on using exchanges that they're going to stake it for you, but that's why it's important to use high quality exchanges. But again, you've got to do your own research. Now, as you scroll down, you can see many different projects. Pancake Swap, for example, there. Look at that, 131%. So again, hit the question mark, and up to 100 is 84%. But the 100 to $1,000 is 28%. Still fantastic returns for cake. Okay, now you get some wonderful, wonderful ones. Obviously, you can see the chain link's very poor at 0.23%, but Zilliqa. Now, Zilliqa, again, it's a wonderful project. I've done dedicated videos about this before, and they're saying 49%. So again, we hit the question mark. So basically, 100 to $1,000 is 13%. Okay, now, what I've also got to do is, when you show Zilliqa, you can see it on the coin market cap there, currently ranked 88 with a market cap $283 million. 76% of supply is out there. We're approaching 2 cents. An all-time high was 25 cents. So again, absolutely fantastic. Now, also, you scroll down, look at all the others. Massive projects, Decentraland, Basic Attention Token Engine, all roughly around 5%. You've got some obscure ones here with crazy percentages. The EGLD there, 28.15%. Okay, Aptos. Now, Aptos is one that obviously I've covered many times before, offering 10.52%. Okay, it's great to see. Now, as many others, even Crypto.com, Crow, 19.72%. Now, Algorand is another project I spoke very fondly about, wonderful technology. You can see there, basically 100 to $1,000 is 6.25%. Now, Algorand, all-time high 2019 was $3.28. Here we are now, just approaching 18 cents. But with these high-quality projects, you see it's ranked 31 with a market at 1.2 billion. 71% supplies out there, which is great to see. Okay, now you scroll down some further and you can see Cardano here. So 14.79% is what it's stating. Again, we just hit that and you can see it's 4.60%. So not actually fantastic. I do hold a little bag of Cardano on Ascendex, hold it mainly obviously on my dad dollar wallet, but I've got a little bit here and there on the exchanges, and I've got some here. So you basically hit that earn now, you can see there. Okay, now the max I'm going to do is there. 228 is all I've got on Ascendex. However, it's easy staking, so I'm going to do that. You just hit start earning. You can see there, $220. You see there, my APY, and I just confirm it. I've read the staking agreement. Okay, it's a deposit term which is flexible. So congratulations, your AD is now earning yield. So I'm now earning that free passive income. Okay, so that is again great to see. I really do like that. So again, you just scroll through and you see there's many projects on here. So come up with your projects you really like and see if they are staked on Ascendex or any other site, and you can see how easy it is. Ascendex make it very easy to buy crypto using fiat with the bank transfers, etc., with your cards, and then the staking, as you see there, is extremely easy. Now you just hold that and you're earning your free crypto. But yesterday's video also covered stakingcrypto.info, which is an independent site talking about where to stake, best coins to stake and earn, find the best deals. Now this searches all the sites to find the best deals for you. So again, you put in your favorite project, you can see the best place to earn it, okay, which is obviously great to see. You can see there that Cardano, OKX, staking on 120 days, 16.12%. Okay, that is absolutely fantastic. So I may well get myself a nice bag on OKX and do that as well, because again, I like OKX. I think it's a wonderful exchange. You can see here Solana. You go through, it basically covers all the projects where you can stake it. Okay, now there's obviously multiple places. You've got your own research, whether you can trust that. Again, the exchanges are high quality ones. Me personally, I don't have any problem doing that. But again, you must do your own research. But going back to Cardano, when I look at it, currently ranked 9 with a market cap 8.7 billion, just over 25 cents, 77% supplies out there. Again, all-time high was September last year, 21, $3.10. So again, wonderful opportunity to get that free crypto in this bear market ready for the next bull run, because I believe Cardano next bull run is going to be absolutely fantastic. I truly do that. You can see there the passion within the Cardano community, and I really do believe, it's amazing it's not actually in the top 3 or top 4, whatever like that. It's amazing to see it's ranked number 9, but 2.2 million people watching it on CoinMarketCap alone. But it's a wonderful project. I know I've spoken about it many times. Another staking site that I think is really worthwhile, I've mentioned this briefly before, stakingrewards.com. Now this is a wonderful site. Probably more information than the other staking sites. To be honest, stakingrewards.com has been around a long time. And again, they talk about all the different staking rewards you can get. But also what I like on staking rewards, it tells you the current amount, the percentage of coins staked on a particular project. Now, I believe Cardano is literally one of the highest staked projects out there. You can see there on the screen, 71.86% of Cardano is staked. Okay, now, many Solana 68%, etc. Polkadot 44%. Internet Computer, ICP, again, you look at that, 73%. Now, again, Internet Computer, I've never really covered it in great depth. Obviously, when it launched, it had that massive pump and smashed through the top 20, and it went to a crazy price. I think it nearly reached $400, memory serves me, $3.64. So perhaps I need to look into that project, because I want to see if they're still developing, what the plans are for 2023, etc. So again, we could have a real hidden gem there, who knows. But you can scroll through, and it just gives you the percentage of each project, how much is staked. Now, I find that fascinating. When people believe in the project long term, they're staking long term. So again, stakingrewards.com. I'll put a link below. So as I say, I've also got a link below for Ascendex, my referral link. Do appreciate anyone who signs up using my link to support the channel. Ascendex, as I say, formerly known as BitMax, speaks on CoinMarketCap, the spot trading volume last 24 hours. You can see there's a lot. Obviously doing extremely well. Just over $72 million in a bear market. Yeah, some exchanges have obviously a much more volume than that. However, I just like Ascendex. I like their support network. Also like the site where it's laid out. Never had any issues on there. I must say I did a video before about Ascendex staking at Comey. When it first came out, it was a decent percentage. Now it's very low. So those stake rewards, you can lock in for a certain period and get a certain percentage, but long term, like Omi's come down to like 2% now, if memory serves me. So it's come down a lot. However, it's still that free crypto, isn't it? So thanks very much. Just want to give you a brief overview of Ascendex and all the different projects on there with some wonderful percentage returns for staking. You can see there, quickly go back now, Casper Labs, talk about Casper, CSPR, 16.18%. So there's so much out there to read up on. There's so many high quality projects. There's obviously a lot of rubbish as well, let's be honest. However, there's many high quality projects there. So in this bear market, so I think literally the whole 2023, I don't think I'll be taking any profits. I'll purely be accumulating. But who knows what's around the corner with the market, okay? Who knows when the next bull run will be. So thanks very much. Have a wonderful day. Anyone help as usual, just email me, info@cryptostrand.com, all my social media links below. Come and join us on Telegram group. Got my own personal Telegram as well. So please don't hesitate to reach out. Have a wonderful day, and we'll chat again soon. Cheers now. Bye.